Good morning, students, and Inakshi is showing me her beautiful doll, and here Nandini is just pulling her little sister. So sweet, Nandini. Very nice. Okay, so I can see two dolls. Okay, one live doll, that is Nandini's sister, and one Inakshi's doll. Okay, so that's very nice. And rest of my students, Shushoba, very much decent. He is sitting. Shomrik Roy Chaudhary, and here Parinita, very nice. So good morning to all of you. Okay, so nice. So everyone is ready for your English class? Am I audible and visible to all of you properly? So everyone, come on, put your attendance fast. Already done. And those who are joining just now, please put your attendance P, and then after let us start. Okay. So students, today I am going to draw some images on the board, and everyone get ready with your copy, pencil and color box. Yes. So we are going to do something new. Yes, we are going to learn sounds, and let's see what type of sounds we are going to learn today. Okay, so your copy, your pencil, your eraser and your color box. Now I am drawing one picture, and all of you please write the name of this picture. Please write the name of this picture. So let us see what picture is this. I hope everyone can see. Yes. So let us write down, draw the picture and write down the name. Okay. So here comes. I wrote the name because many of my students, Trishita, Orgo, Afrin, has given me the answer that ma'am, you don't know this is ball. Yes, very good. Sometimes I forget, and I always believe that if I forget, my students are going to tell me the right answer. Okay. So here comes ball, right. So let's go for the next one. In opposite word, we did one opposite word, this one. No need to draw this one because I am just showing the example. You will draw this one and you will draw this one, write this one. Okay, this is just one example. No need to draw this one. So if I draw this one, do you remember one opposite word we had done for this one? And who is going to tell me which opposite word we did for this comparison? And this comparison was done for which opposite video? Keep closing. Okay, every of the students, I request, please turn off your videos. Please turn off your cameras. Please turn off your cameras, beta. Later on we will, when I will tell you, you will turn on your camera. Now you please turn off your cameras. Okay. So yes, we did the comparison of short and tall, right? Yes. So here comes again one comparison. So I am drawing it. You will also draw it in your copy. Yes. So here comes the word tall. Coconut trees are always tall, right? Yes. So we are not going to do this one. Very good. Now if I draw this one, so what is this? What is this? Yes, Ayushman has given the first answer, Orghu second, and Shugato third, and rest of all my students are telling me, ma'am, this is wall. Ma'am, you don't know? This is wall. Yes, students, I wanted to know from you. So, this is wall. Now, students, you can see that here ALL and ALL is similar in each of the word, right? So what do we pronounce ALL? All. 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 Right? So if I add the phonics or sound of B, that is B. B. All. Ball. B. All. Ball. T. 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 All. Tall. T. All. Tall. W. 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 All. Wall. W. All. Wall. Right? Now, if as I am not having space over here, so I am writing over here. So, if I tell that I will call you over the phone, I will call you over the phone. So, can you tell me which one is ALL sound word? Which one is ALL sound word? Who will tell me? Yes, here Inakshi has given me the first answer and Ayushman second. That yes, all my students are giving the correct answer. That is CALL, call. So the word is CALL, call. Here comes the word call. Again ALL. Right? Now, if I tell you that please don't do mischief on that hill, you will fall down. Don't do mischief on that hill, you will fall down. So which is ALL word in this sentence? Which is the ALL word in this sentence? Don't do mischief on that hill, you will fall down. Yes, exactly, Nandini, Tomujit, Ritika, Inakshi, everyone, each and every student is giving the correct answer. That is fall. FALL, fall. Right? So, let us write down FALL, fall. Now, if I tell you that there are many guests, so let us arrange the party in a hall. There are many guests. Let us arrange the party in a hall. So which is the ALL sound word? And as soon as I completed my question, I got the answer. That is Ayushman, Orgho, Inakshi, Ritika, Trishita, Shushubhan, Nandini, everyone. Yes, it is the word hall. HALL, hall. So here I am writing the word hall. HALL, hall. Now if I say that pumpkin is a big vegetable, whereas tomato is a small vegetable. Pumpkin is a big vegetable and tomato is a small vegetable. So which is the ALL sound word? So here comes the first answer. Ayushman, Ritika, Nandini, Orko, excellent, outstanding champions. So this is ALL sound, that is small. SMALL. So here also ALL, here also ALL. So students, we can picture them out in this manner. Give a call, right? Give a call. So we can draw the picture like this. Calling, one is calling over the phone to the other, right? Next is falling. So let us make the picture like this, right? If we say that he is standing on the hill, don't make mischief, otherwise you will fall. Otherwise you will fall, right? Next is, there are many guests. So let us arrange the party in a hall. In a hall. So here comes hall, right? And tomato is a small vegetable. So tomato is a small vegetable. Now students, there is a question, why ma'am is drawing such images for us? We can very nicely learn ball, tall, wall, call, fall, hall, small. We can very easily learn it. So ma'am, what is the need of the picture? Every time with every class, I want to do one activity with you. Why you know? Because if we are learning with the images, if we are writing the word according to the image, and if you are coloring it, that means you are spending at least 5 minutes with one particular word. Drawing the image, writing the word and coloring it. This 3 activity combinedly takes at least 5 minutes for you, and within these 5 minutes, what is going on in your mind? All, ball, all, ball, all, tall, all, wall, all, call, all, fall, all, hall, sm, all, small, all, small, right? So this is the way when we draw images, when we write the word, when we color them, and when we just color them, our mind takes in the memory that B-A-L-L, ball. Never you will need to learn that word, never you will read to remember that word, because it is absolutely given a Xerox copy in your mind. Okay, so always try to learn with the activities, then to memorize it. Okay, because you forget if you memorize properly. Maybe it is possible that you can forget it, but if you are learning anything with the activity, you will never forget it, right? So students, you are all going to draw these pictures, you are going to write it, you are going to color it, and you are going to send it to me just now. So let us see how many of you have completed it. I am waiting for your pictures. Let's see who is the first one to send me the work. I am giving you 5 minutes time. Come on. So let's see who is the first one to send me the image of his or her work. I hope you can see the board very nicely, clearly. Yes, I got Afreen first. First image is from Afreen. So let's see now. Afreen, very nice. but each and everything you will write in a vertical form, okay, in one column. Because I am not having space over here, that's why I have written over here. But otherwise, if you are having space in your copy, you just go vertically, okay. That will look neat and clean. Otherwise, it's excellent. Anyone more? Shamrik Rai Chaudhary is writing, Drupad is typing. Let's see what is going to come out. Okay, so next one is Nandini. Very good, Nandini. Just 2 minutes, I'm checking it. Okay. So let's see. Yes, very good. And if you are having space, Nandini, below you will go one by one, okay, in your notebook. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent. So let's see. Next one is Inakshi. Inakshi has also done her work. Very good, Inakshi. Very nice. Complete your coloring, beta. Everyone, please complete the coloring part also, okay? Excellent. And everyone, please now write down the heading. That is, here we will put one inverted comma, ALL. Close the comma because I want to emphasize this word, this sound. So I have put inverted comma, okay, specially, and I am not using capital over here. So sound words. So we learned today ALL sound words, okay, ALL sound words. So everyone, I would request Afreen, very nice. Afreen, please do your work on your own, beta. Try to do it on your own. No problem if you cannot complete it on time. But if you will do it on your own, you will be in practice to make it, okay, to be up to the mark on time, okay. No problem if you are a little bit late also, but you do your work on your own. Right, beta? Very good. And Drupad, what is going on? Okay, so let's see now. Now I have received from Ritika. Okay, very nice. And Ritika, please rectify the spelling of small, beta. It is smell. You have written smell. I want small. Next is Ayushman. Okay, so let's see. Ayushman has already colored it, has written the word, and it's in column. Excellent, outstanding, Ayushman, outstanding. Come on, very good. So all of the students, those who have completed the work on time, and I would request Drupad to turn off your camera. Drupad, turn off your camera. And Drupad, I want to see your work, so please send me your work in your copy. I would request Drupad's parents to please help him to send me his work. Very good, Afreen, excellent. Do your work on your own, beta. Very good. So let's see, Ritika has, yes Ritika, now it's fine, it's small. Very good. Nandini has colored her picture. Very good, Nandini. Okay, Afreen is now showing me. Okay, Afreen, it's very nice. Now color it, beta. Color it. Excellent. Very good, Inakshi. Shomrik, you are coloring it. I have still not received it, beta. Come on, Shomrik, make it fast. Shushobhan. I have even not received your paper. Come on, come on. Yes, now I have received it, beta. So, excellent, Shushobhan. Excellent. Okay, very nice. So students, I hope everyone understood that today we learned about ALL sound words and we did the activity on this part. Next day I will continue with the rest of. So I conclude my class over here. Take a okay, what happened? Shomrik, tired? Okay, so take a little bit break and I will be back again with your science class. And Tomojit, I didn't, yes, Trishita has sent me. Tomojit, where is your work, beta? I would request Tomojit's parents to let Tomojit do his work on his own. Otherwise, he will lose the practice of doing his work on his own. Because next year, parents are not going to be present in the class. So let your child, please ma'am, do his work on his own. And send me the picture, what my student has done. Excellent. Trishita Dey has completed. Very good, Trishita. But Trishita, this ball, A and L, both has joined together. Better write it properly. Yes, Shugato. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So rest of the part I will see. Very good. And here is Shatuki. Very nice. Very nice, Shatuki. Excellent. Bye bye, students. Very good, Shugato.